Hi my dear, this is Sogan, you're most welcome. Today I want to teach you the pattern of this beautiful Irish crochet lace flower. This video is dedicated to you, so let's see together. Start the magic ring and chain 3. 1, 2, 3 chains. Make 15 double crochets in this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Pull the tail end to tighten and make a slip stitch in third chain. Chain 1 and make a back post, double crochet. Start with the first 3 chains. Make a back post, double crochet and chain 1. Make a back post, double crochet in first double crochet, chain 1. Make a back post, double crochet in each double crochet and chain 1. Keep going. At the end of the round, make a back post, double crochet in last double crochet, chain 1, skip first chain and make a slip stitch in first back post double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Chain 1 and make a front post, double crochet. This is my 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remove your hook, insert your hook in first double crochet and pull through. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Skip 1 double crochet and make a popcorn in next double crochet, front post. Make 4 front post double crochet in third double crochet. Remove your hook and insert your hook in first double crochet, then pull through. Chain 4, skip 1 double crochet and make a popcorn in next double crochet. Make 4 front post double crochets to make a popcorn. Remove your hook, insert your hook in first double crochet and pull through. Chain 4 and keep going. At the end of the round, chain 4 and make a slip stitch. You should have 8 popcorns. Make a slip stitch in first space, chain 3 and make 12 double crochets in first space. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I crochet chain 3 and 12 double crochets, chain 1 and turn your work, make a single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Make a slab stitch, insert chain 13 times. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn. Make a slab stitch in next space. Chain 3 and repeat. 1, 2, 3 chains and make 12 double crochets in same space. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I crochet chain 3 and 12 double crochet, chain 1 and turn your work. Make a single crochet in first stitch, make a single crochet in each stitch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Insert chain, make a single crochet in third chain. Chain 4 and turn. Make a slab stitch in next space and repeat in all spaces. At the end of the round, chain 4, turn your work and make a slab stitch in first stitch. If you enjoy my videos, please like and comment so more people can watch my contents. Chain 2 and make a single crochet in first space. Chain 5 and make a single crochet in next space. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains and make a single crochet in next space. Keep going. At the end you should have 8 spaces chain 5 and make a slab stitch in first single crochet, chain 1 and make a single crochet in single crochet, chain 4 and make a double crochet in third chain, chain 3 and make a double crochet in third chain, chain 4, 1 2 3 4 and make a single crochet in single crochet, chain 4, make a double crochet in third chain, chain 3, 1 2 3 chains and make a double crochet in same chain, chain 4, 1 2 3 4 chains and make a single crochet in single crochet, keep going. At the end of the round, chain 4 and make a slab stitch in first single crochet, make 4 single crochets in first space, make 2 double crochets in the middle space, chain 2 and make 2 double crochets again in same space, make 4 single crochets in third space of first petal. My first petal is ready. Make 4 single crochets in the first space of second petal, make 2 double crochets in second space of second petal, chain 2 and make 2 double crochets again, make 4 double crochets in third space of this petal, keep going. At the end of the round, make 4 single crochets and make a slab stitch in first single crochet, chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for sticking with us till the end. If you found this video helpful or fun, drop a like, leave a comment and hit that subscribe button to join our journey. We truly appreciate you. I'll be in touch.